Welcome back everyone. This is the final part of Year 6 SATs Paper 2 Reasoning. If you haven't already, please go and watch parts 1 and 2 before this video. I have linked them both down in the description box below. For this video you will be needing a pen, piece of paper and a ruler. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So let's get on with the video. Question 20. Tick the fractions that are equal to 20%. First of all, we're going to start off by making all of these fractions into percentages. So 1 over 20 as a percentage, that would be 5%. 20 over 40, if we simplify that as a fraction, that would be 1 over 2. And as a percentage, that would be 50%. 1 over 5, well we know that's 20%. 3 over 15, if you don't know what this is, first simplify it. So if we divide both the bottom number and the top number by 3, get 1 over 5, and that would be 20%. 2 over 100, 2%. So here if we look, these two fractions equal 20%, so we can tick these. Question 21. Adam has this rectangular piece of card. It is marked with grid lines. Adam makes 2 straight cuts along the grid lines. The 2 cuts divide the rectangle into 3 shapes, 2 squares of different size and 1 rectangle. Using the grid lines, draw 2 lines that show where Adam could have made his cuts. Use a ruler. So Adam has made 2 cuts and he's made 3 shapes. 2 squares of different size and 1 rectangle. So if we draw in our first line, this would make a square, and if we draw another line from here to here, we're making a smaller square and a rectangle. You can also draw your line up a bit higher up here to make your square up here and your rectangle down here. Question 22. This graph shows the maximum temperature for 5 days. For what fraction of the 5 days was the maximum temperature below 10 degrees Celsius? So if we draw a line at 10 degrees, we can see that 2 of the days were below this temperature. And there's 5 days in total, so our fraction would be 2 over 5. Now for the second part of the question, we are asked, what was the mean maximum temperature to 1 decimal place? To work out the mean, we add up all the temperatures and divide it by how many days there were. So 8.1, 9.3, 11.9, 11.8, 12.4. Make sure that all of the decimal places are in one line. Right. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 9 is 13, plus 8 is 21, and plus 4 is 25. So put our 2 down here and our 5 here. Remember in our decimal place, 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 1 is 18, plus another 1 is 19, plus 2 is 21. Remembering this 2 down here is 23. So 2, 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So 53.5. But that is not our answer yet, because we need to divide it by 5. 53.5 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 5? Well, there's 1. How many 5s are in 3? 0. Remembering our decimal place, carrying over the 3. How many 5s are in 35? That's 7. So our mean would be 10.7. Here we have our last question. Question 23. Amina made this cuboid using centimetre cubes. Stefan makes a cuboid that is 5 centimetres longer, 5 centimetres taller, and 5 centimetres wider than Amina's cuboid. What is the difference between the number of cubes in Amina's and Stefan's cuboids? So first of all, we're going to work out how many centimetres each side of Stefan's cuboid equals to. So if it's 5 centimetres longer, we're doing 6 plus 5. This gives us 11. And then 5 centimetres taller, so 4 plus 5. This gives us 9. And 5 centimetres wider, so that's 3 plus 5, which gives us 8. Now we are going to find the difference between the number of cubes in Amina's and Stefan's cuboids, so we have to work out the volume. And to work out the volume, we times the length by the width by the height. Volume is length times width times height. So we're going to start off with working out Amina's volume. 4 times 6, which is 24. Then we're going to do 24 times by 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So the volume of Amina's cube is 72. Now the volume for Stefan's cube, to work that out, we're going to be doing 11 times 9 times 8. So 11 times by 9 gives us 99. And 99 times by 8, so 9 times 8, that's 72. 9 times 8 again, still 72, plus the 7 gives us 79. So the 792 cubes in Stefan's cuboid and the 72 in Amina's. So if we take them away from each other, 792 minus 72, 2 minus 2 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus nothing is 7. So the difference is 720 cubes. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you have any suggestions on what videos I should do next, please also comment down below. Thank you.